Yo guys, back to another sort of video. So in the guys, I'm playing a news update in some servers. Which I about to Paris. I guess just sort of like going through old updates. Well, let me put it 5 years also. I mean, I don't know. My plans are 5 years. I wanted to try this. So we got over here. Ooh. Pretty different. Okay. I got enough of that right now. I'm just about to check, because I do like it. Going more for Paris. I wish I was a clap. What are those? Is that African last thing? I almost died my thing. I'm not sure if I can like that. I really almost freaking died. Oh my gosh, dude. About the whole town. I'm sure. That's what I'm amazing. I'm going to upload actually nothing. And yeah, I got the second out of mine. That's the normal here. I probably have a notebook like listen. Passed on mistake. Okay, free. Oh nah. Okay. I'll try to get the key. Yeah, I think kids would know that. I didn't know it was that. I walked out of the I think the video was trying to do like double magic. I've gone on beforehand off somewhere. Oh, yeah, I got that phone. If it was Monday, I think it was. I really didn't record it. I don't really do. I have like a magic ball. kind of thing. Kind of thing. I'll get him. Have I gotten the photos there now? I think not. It's almost every single week. Every day to these videos are. It's only got one more day left. That'd be trouble. From the car, it's relax. Such a thing, yeah, come on. Good. I'm gonna get a car.
Check out my snake. Want to get one too? I'll share a secret hack for you. Go to the skin shop and grab the rainbow snake. It's easy to control and grows super fast. Once you hit level 100, bam, you unlock the carnivore map. On the carnivore map, only rainbow snakes move faster and grow 3 times quicker.
I see this. There's something new on the random. They're trying to win more for a reason. That's good. Off on. Amanda? What did I learn? What is please something pretty quickly after this one too? What am I doing? Okay, what's that last one? I'm gonna look on that. Oh damn parents. It's on the time of what's happening. Oh, this is about to come through, don't know. Ang dapat ako tutuloy ang nagtira. Oh, so I'm minding about it, but it's from way close, so I never mind about it. But like, it's supposed to be on the way to open and then I guess. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to hide and how to. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh. 18X. Wow. We're fine, so we're not powerful. And then 18 and X. That's real power, man. That's real power. I think we get. I think we get. Wow, yeah. Oh, left top. Okay, not maybe useful, right? Oh, doing our Samsung, so I'm not gonna switch up. Oh wow, okay, that's not bad. Okay, now I think maybe off my head for the guys tomorrow. My check out for the video. Bye bye.